Okay, we just finished deweeding and it's time to harvest some food. Let's see, this is our kohlrabi. I think some of them are ready to go. And then I'm gonna take the coriander. This is the coriander. Because otherwise they start flowering and you can't eat them anymore. Yeah. Kohlrabi. Hello. The potatoes are not completely flowery. Okay. This kohlrabi is a little bit cracked on top. The strawberries are not growing berries anymore. I don't know why. We have some garlic. I think we can harvest the garlic. The garlic doesn't seem to be growing anymore, so I think they are done. We can maybe have a scallion. I don't know. Definitely getting the cabbage. Oh, sorry, this is the salad. The salads are definitely ready. Salads are definitely ready. The peas. I think I saw a few good peas here. See? Some peas I can harvest. Okay. There's too many salads that are ready to go at the same time. Oh, and of course some beetroot. But the beetroots, they are huge. Celery can still grow. Yes. Tomatoes are very slow. We only have one right now.
We did?
Yeah.
It's still hot, yeah.
But the beetroots, look at these beetroots. Huge. Wait, is this a wild plant? I have no clue. We have to check. Okay, and these are the corns and the beans. So beans seems to do better if you grow them in a bunch. These are the melons. Melons are doing good now that we have this spiky stuff to stop the rabbits to come and eat it. Yeah, here the corns are growing bigger, and we have our first flower for the pumpkin. The pumpkin's okay, great. And yeah, this is the beans that are actually growing a lot better when you put a bunch of them, and then they seems to thrive better if you put a bunch of them. That was our mistake. We were planting just one plant at one spot. Actually, you should have just throw a bunch of them. They gain support that way. I'm not sure what that was anymore. So the pumpkins are crawling out of their space. Yeah. Let's see what Farmer On is doing. This farmer is planting flowers.
Yeah, wildflowers.
Look at the chili plant is finally growing bigger.
See an already
This is the
went.
cresser.
I think this is actually a wildflower that got big.
Oh, great. I need your expert advice at one of the plant. I don't know whether it was it grew so big. I don't know whether it was wild or a plant.
Huh, wait.
Next to the beetroot.
Show me. Really?
Yeah. Oh. That's one salad going home with us. Harvesting coriander.
careful of the sticks.
Your own trap. Wow.
Oh, there's a second. This one
Just like in Asian Mark.
really grew from seed. Eh?
Wow.
Oh, this is
Amazing.
like a weed. Ta-da!
Right.
Even comes with a ladybug. How about
Yeah.
you continue somewhere else?
Hmm?
Yeah. See, there's a smaller one on the side. It's very interesting. Hey, Nori, you should come and see. It's 4 rotor-beta now. Eh.
Yes.
Like, this was the original, and then he split into another 3.
Wow. Amazing.
So, are they like independent now or what?
You can try one.
Because I'm pretty sure they are still stuck together.
Then I guess you have to harvest all of them together.
Harvest all of them.
I don't know how you're gonna harvest it. How about you like try one if like you can ausgraben only one?
I'll try to take the big one first, but I suspect they're stuck together.
She said you can turn it around, so try to like move it around. Yeah. Can you just get one?
Oh yeah, you can get one.
Interesting.
Oh
Nice.
no, there's 3 of them still remaining.
Nice.
The stick off. Oh, quite curious. Maybe use that is easier.
Oh. Nice.
We're gonna have to shellen it a bit.
Yeah. Can you pull it up so I can see? Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Cool. Great.